you'll need to stand up. Standing up on the top riser. Thank you. On the top. You can move down a little bit. I don't fight really hard. Great. Okay, Sarah Knight. Sadie Perez. Connor Smith. And Terry Casagrande is absent. Oh, clap for him. Paige Martinez. Claudia Cervantes. Lily Cheverez. And Isabella Melsheimer. Okay, you can go up and fit on the top and the second riser. And fourth graders, come on up.